Are you planning to study abroad and feeling overwhelmed? It's natural. Stepping into the unknown, embracing a new culture, and building a life from scratch can be daunting, but fear not. With the right preparation, it can be an adventure of a lifetime, a rewarding experience that transforms you. It's about making the unfamiliar familiar. It's about turning a challenge into an opportunity, so buckle up. With some good planning, your study abroad journey can be a breeze. Start with thorough research on your destination. When embarking on a study abroad journey, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the country you are heading to. Flick through pages of its history, norms, and values. Immerse yourself in their culture and traditions even before you set foot there. It's like sneaking a peek into a new world from your very own corner. Next, dive deep into the education system of your chosen university. What are the teaching methods? What resources are available? How are the assessments conducted? Every detail matters. Don't forget to check the university's website for any specific requirements that you should be aware of. Understanding the cost of living is equally important. It's not just about tuition fees, but also everyday expenses like food, transportation, and accommodation. Moreover, knowing about the local safety measures is crucial. After all, you're venturing into unfamiliar territory. A well-researched student is a prepared student. Never underestimate the power of knowledge. It's your compass in this exciting journey you're about to embark on. Packing for your study abroad journey is a crucial part of your preparation. So let's dive into what you need to consider. First off, the essentials. You'll need all your important documents like your passport, student visa, and admission papers. Don't forget clothing that's suitable for the local climate, and of course, your personal items, be it your skincare essentials or your favorite book. If you're enrolling for a specialized course, remember to pack any specific items required. But here's the trick, guys. Pack light. You don't want to be lugging around heavy suitcases, plus you need to save room for all the unique items you'll inevitably want to bring back. Remember, packing smart makes your journey easier. Staying connected with your family and friends back home is essential. It's not just about sharing your experiences or asking for advice, but it's also about keeping a sense of home with you as you navigate new territories. There are a plethora of apps and services like Skype, WhatsApp, and FaceTime that can make this task easier. You can video call, send messages, share photos, and even have group chats with your loved ones, no matter where you are in the world. It's also crucial to keep your support system in the loop about your plans and whereabouts. This not only keeps them involved in your journey, but also ensures your safety. Staying connected provides a sense of security and comfort while you are away.